So today we're going to do another law of cosine stuff. Still working with side angle side and missing angles. Or, well, today we're doing missing angles. So, first things first. For today's assignment, you need yesterday's assignment. Like, the answers you got from yesterday's assignment will be very helpful in this. Because you have to have all three sides to figure out your angles. Okay? So, we're going to use this formula up here. And we're just going to plug stuff in. So, firstly, cosine A. So, we're just looking for angle A. And then, the lettering isn't super important. We're going to just go off. I don't know how to say this, but we're not going to follow the lettering exactly. What we're going to do is you're going to do whatever your first side is. So in this case, it's 16 squared. Whatever answer you got yesterday, so plus. So yesterday we got 21.57 squared. And then minus whatever the last one is, so 10 squared. Divided by 2 times. And then the first two numbers you plugged into the formula, so 16 times 21.75, or 57. Okay? Whenever you plug this in your calculator, very important, you have to put this stuff in parentheses or you're going to get a wrong answer. Put the stuff in parentheses. Okay? Make sure you put the stuff in parentheses. As I say that, I started typing it without parentheses. Make sure you put it in parentheses. It will be very, very helpful. And then you're just going to type all this stuff in. And then you'll hit enter and get an answer. So your answer will be some decimal, and that's okay, that's what you want. So we still have cosine A is equal to 0.9 or 89. Okay? So to get A by itself, what we're going to do is A is equal to the inverse of cosine. That's 0.89. So, when you do this, you'll hit second cosine, then you'll type your decimal in, hit enter, and you'll get an answer. So, in this case, we get A is equal to 27.13. No. I don't know where, 13. That's right. Okay. And then we still have to find our other angles. So we're going to do 360 minus that angle we just solved for. Oh my goodness, I can't write my letters today, or my numbers today. And then minus the one they give us up here. And we're going to just do 360 minus 27.13 minus 110. Hit enter. Why are these numbers so wrong? Oh. Okay, back it up. It's not out of 360, it's out of 180. Angles of a right triangle add up to 180, not 360. So you're going to do 180 minus 27.13 minus 110. Because angles add up to 180, not 360. Equals 42.87. That 2 looks really bad. 42.87. Okay? And then that's your answer. So A, we got 27.13. B, we got 42.87. And that's our answer. Okay, so we're going to do the next one. I'm going to kind of block this off. That way it kind of separates the two problems. Okay, so we're going to do that whole process again. So cosine A equals the first number, 8, plus the number you got yesterday. So in this case we got 8.77 squared minus the second number, so 5 squared, divided by 2 times the first number you put in times that second number you put in. And then remember, when you type this in your calculator, parentheses are very important. So we're going to type it in, parentheses 8 squared plus 8.77 squared minus 5 squared. Close parenthesis divided by open parenthesis 2 times 8 times 8.77. Close parenthesis, hit enter. We're going to get cosine A is equal to 0.82. Well, actually 3 because we're rounding. Then we're going to do A is equal to inverse cosine of 0.83. So second cosine 0.83, and we get A is equal to 33.90. Then we're going to do 180 minus 33.9 minus 77. See what we get. And we get B equals 69.1. Okay, so those are your answers for this equation. We're not going to do the last one because I've run out of room, but if you have any troubles on this one, it's a little more complicated, just email me. I'll help you out. I'm here for you. Okay, make sure your calculator's in the right settings. Keep it in degrees. And again, you have to have your assignment from yesterday to do this. Okay?